Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, Utaka Lazarus and Lazarus, they're still continuing and trying to find a way how they can make this whole Nukane excellence thing come to light. Kota Lazarus is like, hey, he doesn't really like the idea because now this thing is going to bring out the ningi. And uma-aunties angathi uyabona ukuthi there's something going on kodwa abamtsheli lutho. Uhlathi is trying all his level best to get to understand the situation kaThumeka. Whilst uNsiko on the other side saying that he's not gonna take uThumeka and Thandeka's side because wakamabandla, and he's gonna stick with her brothers kuleyo nto. Thandeka decided to take Komisho like athi when I'm with your brothers, not with my caps girl. Ungisize ungiphumele endlini because I have somewhere to be. Because I understand in this thing. Yeah, one Mawethu and the Onga are very they're concerned with Azande being in the picture and him say but he's shadowing Uzoleka and Lazarus because they think that he's coming for someone's position, and obviously shows he's coming for Onga's position. Yeah, one. So nje kubona nje sithule game. Umfazi kaSigny says but uSigny is hiding behind Uzondo Technologists so that he doesn't go and sue umntanabo in the prison. Kodwa Uzondo uthi yena he's not ready to see uLwandle kuMasuda Orange. Uyabuza umfazi wakhe ukuthi who is ready to see that? When are you just nje hiding? You're a father who is hiding. Kodwa you know what? Yeah, understand. What was Signy with the Zondo Technologies trying to make sure it happens and it happens real fast, quick in the heart. It's because he knows that it's a future for Babani, for all of them. Ulwandle now will come back to a future. Uzinhle naye umkakhe. But to Mugake, it seems like he's running away from mama responsibilities. So Uzondo feels like Uhlathi should be the one cleaning my office's work because sekanema office manje business yakhe. So usekungcolile, but Uhlathi is like, yo, it's a good business deal, but it's not gonna work for me. And my wife is not gonna take it lightly. So I'd rather pass kuleyo enkosi kakhulu, but and so it's hard because it's izongidalela ingxaki. You understand? Ubaba kaLazarus is still trying to make sure everything goes the way they wanted. You understand? And they had like a long talk until Utabawo came to the house saying that she's gonna hang around Lapiana until it's late. Amuka endlini, and UNenxeba was like, Utata is here. What's here for what? No, they're having like a deep, serious conversation with Lazarus. And when Mahatiza walked in, she was surprised. She was surprised. Kutaipu, you guys are having serious conversations. And she found out what the plan was. Sanbonan. Somehow I feel like Uhlathi heard me when I said that they need professional help. Yena no Thumeka to make things work between them. Because I've seen Uhlathi for a long time. I've never seen Uhlathi so selfless mina. I've never seen Uhlathi doing something for someone else. Lena engam benefit. Even smallanyana. I've never seen Uhlathi putting someone else first other than Uzoleka and bantwana bakaZoleka, because he said it million times that vele bekamfuna umntwana noZoleka ilikamva. But manje it hurts when uThumeka says that when Bavumile was born ilikamva lakho lamanyani walikhetha kumbe lavela. Do you understand? So I've never seen Uhlathi putting uThumeka first. I've never seen Uhlathi doing something for uThumeka ngaleyo ndlela, because manje uThumeka is experiencing a lot of things at the same time. Like I said a while ago, that it's a lot for Uthumeka. Manje nyalo, she's trying to grieve and she's trying to accept other things and she's trying to do things for herself too at the same time, which could be too much for a person, right? I feel like Uhlathi saw that too. because now uhlathi ugaya ngale nto yenyawo, guys. Uhlathi is thinking about uThumeka all the way. Manje it goes to a point whereby uThumeka even realizes ukuthi hayi man, le nto lengiyilwela mos is not here. It's deep, it's rooted, like it's very, very deep. You need to go deep down and dig, and then like the healing process can start. Because once you do not realize what the problem is, you cannot find a solution for it. But I feel like the talk that Uhlat is still like trying to push for them to have is making Utumeka dig deep down so that she knows what is the problem and how they can. Yeah, you understand? So I'm saying to Uhlat, I see a different side of him, or a different side from him, that is considering Utumeka way more than he has been doing. I feel like Uhlat is now seeing Utumeka. You understand? Uyabona ukubona umuntu angakuboni, but this time around I feel like he sees her for the things that she is and the things that she went through, and he's trying to address that so that they can get to where they are manje and try and find a solution out of that, because this one is too deep, guys. Utumeka is remembering the fact that she was raised by Uzoleka's parents and she was never a princess. From an early childhood, shows this trauma comes from a childhood yakhe, and this whole thing Galikamva just triggered all that. And remember, if you don't deal with the root, there's no way you're gonna pass kule yamanje situation. I just hope that Utumega really finds the help that she needs, because she's dealing with a lot, and sometimes you just need to find that thing that keeps you out of that situation. So my aunties I find out that Asante is no longer gonna be the part of the Ngcukane Industries. Shayizwa. And my aunties abathi she's older than uLazarus dead. Kodwa bamnika uAzande isibongo sakaNgcukane, because I think wazalelwa ekhaya, that's why he's in Ngcukane. But now to my aunties that this is a betrayal, because number one, auntie lo is older than Lazarus' dad, but she was never given the same opportunities as he was, right? Manje aunt is overhearing a conversation that says that isihlalo sebu CEO, they're gonna give it to Usiolisi. Usiolisi is what? Umakoti la kwaNgcukane. And now she's getting a chance that my aunties are never got. I'm so glad that when Uma aunties are got there, and she asked Usiolisi, they said she went to the office. Yabo? And when she came in that living room, hearing them having that kind of a conversation, Uzoleka was not there. That is like, woo, because they can just say whatever it is that they can say and not put Uzoleka in that conversation, because they can number one. Number two, auntie not so long ago said to them that there shouldn't be backstabbing. There shouldn't be conversations behind other people's back. I want plotting and all that. So manje, if she doesn't find Uzoleka there, I think that was a beautiful thing for her not to find Uzoleka there. Ebili Uzoleka was part of the conversation to begin with. And if my aunties of out again, that Uzoleka is the one that came up with the whole thinging, it's gonna break her heart. But now auntie is surprised with Aibo. So my son is not gonna be the what that this what thing. And now someone else who's not in Ngcukane is going to get the chance to be a CEO, a chance that I was never given mina as in Ngcukane, as the oldest even. Kuzweli bani, kuzweli something, Zweli Nzima or Zweli ban Lazarus is dead. She's older than him, but she was not given the chance to be a CEO. Now Uzoleka has been given the chance to be a CEO. Basho kanjalo. But she's good with that. And then now the job is for you to tell u-auntie ukuthi u-Azande is not going to be. And then remember, these people, they are still living together. Azande said that he was going to the state, and when he comes back, he's going to deal with the papers and whatnot. He's ready. According to him, yeah, he is ready. But bona, they're still plotting something against the whole thing. So, hey, asazi, guys, asazi.